In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn desktop email notifications on and off in Google Workspace. This quick and essential guide is designed to help you manage your notifications effectively, ensuring you stay updated without being overwhelmed by constant pop-ups. To begin, you'll first need to navigate to Google Workspace. You can do this by opening your web browser and entering the Google Workspace URL, or simply searching for Google Workspace in your preferred search engine. Once you've arrived at Google Workspace, the next step is to access your admin console. Look for the admin console link and click on it. This console is essentially the central hub for managing your Google Workspace settings and user accounts. Next, you'll need to log in using your business email. Make sure you have your credentials ready, as you will be prompted to enter your email address and password. Follow the on-screen prompts to sign in. Once your login is successful, click Next or Sign In to proceed further. Now look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the Google Apps menu, often represented by a grid or series of dots. Clicking on this will reveal several app options available to you. From this menu, look for the admin icon and click it. This step will direct you further into the settings where we can personalize our email notifications. Once you're in the admin settings, it's time to open Gmail. You can do this by either navigating through the icons or using the direct URL if you prefer. When you have Gmail open, your next step is to dive into the settings. Look for the gear icon, often located in the upper right portion of your Gmail interface, and give it a click. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select See All Settings, which will present you with a comprehensive list of customization options for your email. Now, within the settings, navigate to the section labeled Desktop Notifications. Here you have the option to toggle desktop notifications. Look for the setting named New Mail Notifications On. Clicking this option will enable desktop notifications, which means you'll receive pop-up alerts each time a new email arrives in your inbox. This feature can be switched off by selecting Mail Notifications Off if at any point you wish to silence these alerts. Finally, to ensure all your changes are applied successfully, don't forget to click Save Changes, which should be located at the bottom of your settings page. Saving changes will finalize your new settings and apply them to your Gmail account. And there you go. You've now learned how to efficiently turn your desktop email notifications on and off in Google Workspace, a useful skill for managing your email experience seamlessly. Whether you prefer quiet focus time or staying updated in real time, these settings give you control to tailor notifications to fit your work style.